Broadcasting live from SETI Alpha 6 in the Andromeda Galaxy, this is Mr. C.
Happy Aloha Friday to one and all in the 7th grade and in the 8th grade. I'm doing a dual on this one. So it's just an introduction to your test. So first, the most important thing that I'm going to say in the next few minutes is that the Panthers, the Penrith Panthers, have a massive rugby match this weekend. Now it's going to be today, which is Saturday in Australia. And it is the grand final, as they say down under, or as we would say, like the Super Bowl or the championship game. So anyway, huge match. So I'm not sure if any of my relatives are going to the game or not. I was thinking that maybe my son-in-law and his son, my nephew, might be going. I'll try it again. Grandson. There we go. Got it. Okay, test today. Just a reminder about the test. Tests are reading tests, right? So it's how well can you read? Mr. C, I'm a good reader. Okay, then prove it. Part of being a good test taker is being a good reader, to read carefully what's being asked. Now during the test, if you have a question, raise your hand. If you're not quite sure, well, what exactly does this mean, and all of that kind of thing. So that's what Mr. Gilbert is there for, to kind of help you out. So anyway, pardon me. So read carefully. So I'll have a word bank in the second part of the test. So, and you won't use all the terms, all the words. So be careful on that matching at the end. Make sure you give complete answers. Complete answers. Got something caught in my throat. Now, as you're taking the test, the usual precautions, so you won't be tempted to cheat. Sit up straight, please. Don't look to the left or to the right. Focus on your own paper only. Use your cover sheet, covered up at all times. Okay? And don't give Mr. Gilbert any cause to wonder about whether you're doing an honest job or not. So, do your very best. Now, how many of you want to do poorly on this test? Raise your hand. I didn't think so. So I didn't think there'd be any hands. So, again, my caution to you is, read each question carefully, think about it, and just a couple of little tips. So most of them are going to be obvious answers. If the answer doesn't pop into your head at first, and you're thinking about it, then all of a sudden an answer pops in your head. Often, if it's a question that you don't really know the answer to at first, the answer that pops in your head has a better chance of being right. So a little tip, okay? When you finish, you are going to, when all of you have finished, you're going to give super attention to Mr. Gilbert. He has something planned for you at the end of the period after the test is over. I will grade it next week. I guarantee it'll be up in the computer by next Friday, a week from Friday. It takes a long time to grade those tests. Okay, continue to hand your work in on time. So neat, complete work. All of those things will help make you a fantastic student. So anyway, I'm about ready to turn you loose, to have at it, and Mr. Gilbert will pass your test out. Don't even think about writing an answer down on your test until in the upper right-hand corner you've got your name, date, and period. So as soon as you get your test, name, date, period, upper right-hand corner, then feel free to start taking the test. Mr. Gilbert will tell you where he would like you to turn in your test when you're all finished. And if you've got a leisure book today, so it's worth a Jolly Rancher. If you've got a leisure book, if it truly is a leisure book, so take it out and read it. Or when you're finished, if you got another test to take, study for it. So anyway, no talking obviously during the test till all the tests are in. Then Mr. Gilbert is going to have a chat with you. All right? Have a great weekend. I will speak with you on Monday.